All right. So um, this video is going to be for two things. Well, the first one is to show you how to use fixed floats, while the second one is to show you how you can actually deposit easily from deposit on deriv.com. You can actually use it for your withdrawals too. So it is a similar process, just that if you are maybe you want to receive LTC now and you want to send USDT, you swap that. If it is receive USDT and send LTC, then just the opposite. All right. So first of all, I have four tabs here open. One is fixed float, one is the wallet I'll be using, which is Binance. Then the second one is my mail. This one is just to show you guys how um the mail, and then I'm going to be depositing the money or whichever balance I want to use. I'm going to be depositing it on this LTC, this new LTC, new deriv account. All right, so we're going to proceed. We would first send the coin from this exchange, which is Binance. So at first we have to go to fixed float because I want to send BNB to receive LTC from Derivia, which an LTC Litecoin account. So I go to fixed float because I want to send BNB and I want to receive Litecoin. So I would search for Lite. Okay, this is it here. Sorry, I'm sending BNB to receive LTC. So I'm going to send BNB. This is BSC. I'll be using the Binance Smart Chain network. Then I'll be receiving Litecoin. So I search for Litecoin. All right. So according to me, I said that um deposit, like if you want to trade on Deriv, you need at least $10. So here now I'm going to be using the whole of this balance. My BNB, this BNB spot balance is 0.022246767. So I'm just going to like copy this. I'm going to be using the whole balance. So I'll just copy it here. This will tell me my the actual equivalent of it in dollars, and then the amount I'm going to be receiving. So so we just come here, we paste it. All right, so as you can see now it shows 11.24. So this is the equivalent of what I'll be receiving, equivalent of this in Litecoin. So because I want to receive Litecoin, I'm just going to copy my Litecoin address from Deriv. If you are selling to someone, once the person actually, maybe someone wants to buy, you have USDT, someone says you want to buy BTC. So what you just do is you send your USDT, like you just come here, USDT send, BTC receive. So it is the receiver's address you are going to input here. All right. So now I'm going to go to my Deriv account, or this Deriv account, and then sorry, it's a new account. So I just copy it. Okay, it's copied now. So I go to fixed floats and then I paste it here. All right. The rate, what float rate means is that fine, I'm going to do just 0.5% to process the transaction, but the but there is that it may like the price may vary. So but fixed rate, you already know that okay, this is the amount I'm going to actually be making from this stuff. And then the beautiful thing about fixed float is that even if you are going to be receiving less than the amount, it will tell you, and then it will actually help you like reprocess the transaction in order for you to get the actual amount. For instance, the BNB I'll be sending now. For instance, the BNB I'll be sending from Binance, I would actually be um Binance are going to deduct a transaction fee. So fixed float is going to help me to like reprocess the transactions. Okay, you guys should just watch what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to use fixed rate exchange now. Sorry. Um okay. So now you can see now this is the other ID, and then this is where I'm going to send the BNB to, or the address, the auto address created for me for me to send my BNB. So I'll just copy this address. Okay, so go to Binance and then paste it. So it's already confirmed that it's a Binance. So maximum amount, then withdraw, confirm. Okay, this is a normal routine transfer when you want to transfer from um, Binance. So I get the code. So I just go to my mail. So you can see this is the order. This is the order details already, which they already sent. You can see it now to receive that. Okay, so um Binance okay, this is the okay for the phone on. So all right. Sorry about this. I don't know why it's taking time like this, but it's my network. Okay, it's okay. Okay, while we wait for this thing, you can see awaiting deposit, awaiting confirmation. So it hasn't been sent yet. Let's see if it has done. Okay, so withdrawal submitted already. All right. So let's go to fixed floats and wait for our transaction. So you see now the amount sent was less than necessary because of the transaction fee which Binance deducted, which fixed float automatically calculated for us. So I'm going to continue the exchange. So my order will be completed soon. Awaiting deposits, awaiting confirmation, sent already done. This transaction in my Litecoin was sent just as easy and stress-free like that. It has been processed already and it has been done already. So I don't have business with Binance again. So I go to my mail. See now, um, it has been completed. All right. Then this was the transaction that was less than the actual value, which they actually sent automatically to me. All right. So let's go to Derib now. I would actually be um trying to relog in to confirm. Sorry. Oh god. Sorry. I have to relog in order for me to process this transaction to refresh this. Sorry, it's taking too long. Okay. Okay, I haven't gotten it yet. I haven't gotten it yet. So, um, just wait because sometimes there it takes time to actually receive deposit or withdrawals. So, just wait. Let me check the mail of this account here. I'm going to be checking it on my phone. I don't have it, but I had to open it a new account for this video. So I'm going to check it now if it has been sent. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'm going to make a new video on showing the balance actually because I'm yet to receive it. There could be crazy at times. So I think I should stop the video. I don't want it to be too long. It hasn't been sent already. All right, I think I should stop the video because I don't want it to be too long. I'm going to have to stop the video. Then maybe I'm going to do another one as soon as I receive the um the Litecoin. So, but let me check the um, transaction first. Okay, this was the actual value of what I got, and I paid just $0.1 for transaction fee.